Hello children, this is 5th standard English second lesson. All of you open your English textbook, page number 23. The name of the lesson is In the Wars Again. In the Wars Again. See here children, can you identify these sports persons? Can you identify these sports persons? Write their names choosing from the options given below. Also write the name of the sport they play. Which sport they have played, you have to write their names. See here, they have given their pictures. These are the sports persons. Sport persons these are. So you have to write their names in the given below. The first one, Mary Kom. Mary Kom. Right here. The first one is Mary Kom. Mary Kom. The sports person name is Mary Kom. The second one is Sania Mirza. Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal. The second one is, the third one is Sardar Singh. Sardar Singh. The fourth one is Jeetu Rai. Jeetu Rai. The fourth one is Jeetu Rai. The fifth one is Deepa Karamkar. Deepa Karamkar. These are the pictures of sports persons. Okay children. Now about these lesson, related about these lesson, next page number 24, I will read for you this one. Sachin Tendulkar. Already you know the name. Who is he? He is a cricket man. Okay. See, Sachin Tendulkar, he played cricket. He is a name that shines bright in the world of sports. Okay, bright in the world of sports. The iconic cricket player is an inspiration not only to other sports persons but also to ordinary people from every walk of life. In his autobiography, he talks about his simple upbringing and dedication to the sport of cricket. Given here is an extract from his autobiography. About this lesson, what we have to study? Sachin Tendulkar. Who is he? He is the cricket player. He is the cricket player. Okay. See here, his name that shines bright in the world of sports. Bright. Shines bright. In the sports, world sports, Achchadiyade Holeyuvodu. In Kannada, the iconic cricket player is an inspiration not only to other sports persons but also to ordinary people. In ordinary people will be play the cricket from every walk of life. In his autobiography, he talks about his simple upbringing and dedication to the sport of cricket. Given here is an extract from his autobiography. This lesson about only the Sachin Tendulkar. See here, next lines I will read for you. I encountered many adventures as a child. I encountered many adventures as a child. One in particular stands out vividly. What is the meaning of vividly? Vividly meaning in a way that produces very clear picture in your mind. If you want to do something on that time, you have to take one perfect decision. Okay? See here. One in particular stands out vividly. It happened while playing at Shivaji Park. It happened while playing at Shivaji Park, the breeding ground. The breeding ground, a place where something is able to developed place, that is. Where you have to play, that is the place is developed place. Okay, the ground is very developed area. Shivaji Park, the breeding ground of cricketers in Mumbai. This is in Mumbai. I was 12 years old then. Listen this one. Sachin Tendulkar was 10 years old on that time. He happened while playing at Shivaji Park. See here, I was captaining my team. He told here, I was captaining my team. Our wicket keeper got injured and I had to recently step into his role, even though I had never tried it earlier. When he was captaining in the team, on that time his wicket keeper got injured. Okay? Being behind the stumps was both unfamiliar and uncomfortable. Being behind the stumps. Already you have seen the cricket ground will be you have seen and stumps will be you have seen. Okay, already you have played so many times, children. Being behind the stump was both unfamiliar and uncomfortable. I soon missed a nick. What is the meaning of nick? A small deflection of the ball of the edge of the bat, often going to the wicket keeper for a catch. See here, nick means a small deflection of the ball of the edge of the bat, often going to the wicket keeper of a catch. The ball came at me fast and even before I could react. He could react when the ball came at him fast and even before he could react, and it hit him smack in the face. The ball hit him. To whom? Sachin Tendulkar. It hit me smack in the face, just missing my eye. Listen this one. On that time, his eyes were just missing. The cut was deep. The cut was deep and there was a lot of blood. See here in the picture. The blood is bleeding on his face near the eye. But the eye was safe on that time. The ball hit his smack in the face, just missing his eye, and the cut was deep, very deep, and there was a lot of blood. I didn't have money. And that time he has no money for a cab and was embarrassed at the thought of getting on a bus with a bloodied face. Listen this one. On that time, so many years ago, he has no money, okay, for a cab and thought of getting on a bus with a bloodied face. I needed a lift and asked a friend for the same. I needed a lift and asked a friend for the same. He indeed gave me a lift on his bicycle. See here. Anyone familiar with Mumbai will realize what an Ardas. Ardas means involving a lot of effort and energy, especially over a period of time. Task that is, especially with a heavy cricket kit bags in tow. See here, children. This is the cricket kit bag. It is very heavy. Okay. My friend found the busy flyover at Bandra too steep with the heavy load. I walked with shocked commuters gaping at me. Commuters gaping at me. After all, a young kid with a bloodied face and blood-stained shirt lugging his cricket kit over a flyover wasn't an everyday sight for them. See here, children. Next page we will go. Before I will tell you this one once again. Sachin Tendulkar is name that shines bright in the world of sports. The iconic cricket player is an inspiration not only to other sportsmen but also to ordinary people from every walk of life. In his autobiography, he talks about his simple upbringing and dedication to the sport of cricket. Okay, see here. He encountered many adventures as a child. Once upon a time, he was happened while playing at Shivaji Park, the breeding ground that is of cricketers in Mumbai, when he was 12 years old. Then he was captaining on that team. His wicket keeper got injured. Sachin Tendulkar was a captain in that team. In that team, wicket keeper got injured and Sachin had to reluctantly step into his role even though he had never tried it earlier. Okay, afterwards he had no money for a cab and was embarrassed at the thought of getting on a bus with a bloody face. He asked his friend to help. On that time his friend will help to go to the hospital or home. Okay. Next, when I got home. See here. When I got home. When Sachin got home, he was relieved to find my parents. See here. I was relieved to find my parents away at work. My grandmother was home. She asked in a worried tone because she was worried to see him because his eyes was bleeding. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Did you fall down or did someone hurt you? She asked to Sachin. I took a quick shower and asked her not to panic. She applied warm turmeric and aged old Indian Ayurvedic treatment. See here. I took a quick shower and asked her not to panic. She applied warm turmeric. In the olden days and even also nowadays also some people applied the warm turmeric where the injured, where the place is injured. Okay, an age-old Indian Ayurvedic treatment over the bruise. Then she asked me to rest. I did not bother telling anyone else, and the injury healed faster than I expected. Okay, children, see here. When I got home, I was relieved to find my parents away at work, but my grandmother was home. She asked in worried tone, "What is wrong with you? Did you fall down or did someone hurt you?" She asked to Sachin. But Sachin took a quick shower and asked her not to panic. She applied warm turmeric and age-old Indian Ayurvedic treatment over the bruise. Then she asked me to rest. She told him to take a rest before she applied some Ayurvedic treatment, that is warm turmeric, where the injured. Okay, I did not bother telling anyone else. I did not bother telling anyone else, and the injury healed faster than I expected. Okay, children, see here. Suffice to say, that wasn't the only time I got hurt while playing cricket. Injuries were frequent because we played on half-baked and overrushed pitches, and our coach insisted on our batting without helmets. He wanted us to learn to leave balls by swaying out of the way. On these wickets, injuries were a certainty, but they hardened us for the grind in the future. Half-baked. What is mean by half-baked? Not fully dried in sun time. Fully dried. In the afternoon, the sun is very hot. Okay, the climate will be very hot. So suffice to say, that wasn't the only time I got hurt while playing cricket. Injuries were frequent because we played on half-baked and overrushed pitches, and our coach insisted on our batting without helmets. He wanted us to learn to leave balls by swaying out of the way. If it is not able to catch the ball on that time, you leave that ball. On these wickets, injuries were certainly, but they hardened us for the grind in the future. It means steady hard work. The grind means steady hard work. Yes, children, today this much of lesson only we have studied. In the next period, we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay, children. Today you have to read this lesson properly. They have given here some words and their meanings. Okay, which words are in blue color, their meanings they have given below. You have to read this one. Next period we will continue this lesson. Okay children, bye.